going to be remodeling my slime with the spinny wheel. So the spinny wheel is going to pick my first ingredient to remodel my slime. So here's the first one right now. So this one is the shaving cream and this one is foam beads. So I'm going to spin the wheel. And on the 4, it picked foam beads. So I'm going to put the foam beads. Okay, that should be enough foam beads. So no shaving cream. So here's another one. This one is food coloring. So that if it went to here, then I would get food coloring. If it went to here, no food coloring. Let's see what it picks. It picks food coloring. Okay, spinning. And it picks these two. I'm gonna put the glitter. And I'm gonna add the gold. Add that in. Okay. So it's time for the next spin. I'm gonna spin. And it picks silver. And I'm gonna put that in. So I'm gonna spin. And I use this glue. So I'm gonna pour it in. And it's coming. And there's the glitter. No, I meant glue. And that's enough glue. Because I don't want this to change. Because I already like the blue color. Okay, so time for this one now. I want to get the blue glitter glue. So I'm going to spin. Seriously? I'm going to have to pour that in. That's going to be so hard. That one's going to be harder than that one. Okay. Okay, guys, so I got some in. So time for the next spin. Okay, so here's the food color spin. So I'm going to spin. I'm just going to add 1 drop. If you might have saw, my friend used this food color and just put 1 drop. So I'm going to do the same as my friend. Okay, so time for the next one. Okay, guys, so those have 4 stuff and those have 4 as well. Okay, so this one has 4 of them. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 of those. So I'm going to spin the wheel and see what I got. I got the bottom one. This key. So I'm going to pour that yellow. Okay. I should never stops. Okay. So time for the next spin. So I'm still using the same and that one's already gone. And which one is the last? We don't use it. So time for the next spin. Okay. I really like that I got this one because I really like when I put shaving cream in my slime. So I'm going to put the shaving cream. I so like it that I got shaving cream. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's too much. Oh. Okay, so time for the next spin. Okay, so it's just those 2 left. So let's see. I hope I get activator. So activator is removed because activator was last. So I'm going to pour those in. And also this means I can put more slime. Pouring that in. It's going. Okay, I didn't add. Okay. Sometimes it never ends. Okay. So the next one is the second last spin. And I forgot to tell you that I put slime there. So this one is containers, but for this other one, it also includes the food coloring for this one. So I'm gonna spin the wheel. No food coloring with container. It's just the container. So now I'm gonna mix my slime. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it in. Oh, and also I remodeled this slime because it was sticky, and it's still sticky. But okay, guys, so here's the slime, how it turned out. It turned out like this color, but this was not the color I was aiming for. But this slime, like this slime is good. It's like a gravel color. Yeah. It's gray with the foam beads.